Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a sumo wrestler. This is a traditional Japanese model, and it was used by children to play a little game where you would set two of these on a table, and then you tap the table until one of them either falls down or goes out of the ring, which I'll show you how to play that at the end. Now, I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Next, we'll valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So I'll bring this top right corner down to the bottom left corner. I'll hold both those corners in place and then crease it all the way across. And then unfold. Now we'll bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. And crease that one down. And then unfold. Next we're going to make a blintz fold, which means we'll bring each of these four corners into the center of this X here. So we'll start with this top right corner, bring it right into the center of that X, and then crease it. Same with the bottom right. And the bottom left. And the top left. Next we're going to make another blintz fold, so we'll bring each of these corners into the center. We'll start with this top point. Line it up in the center and crease. And now the right. And the bottom. And the left. Now we'll turn the model over and then rotate it slightly. Next we're going to bring this top right edge in to lie along this center vertical crease, and as we do that, a flap underneath is going to swing out to the side. And then it should look like that. Now we'll do the same thing on the left side here with this top left edge. Make sure that flap underneath swings out to the side. Next we'll bring this top point down to meet this point right here, which will make a valley fold running between these two corners. And there's a flap underneath on this one as well that we're going to let swing out. You'll see this flap right here swung out from underneath. Next we're going to make a mountain fold that runs from this point over to this point. Just like that. Next we're going to valley fold the entire model in half along this center vertical crease. And then if you crease it down really hard, it'll probably rip slightly right here. If it does, that's okay. And next we're going to swing this point out, and then this edge is going to lie along this edge, and same on the other side. So you need to open it slightly, and then you'll swing that point out, and then line those edges up. Like that. And then we're all done. It should be able to stand up. And now if you fold 2 of those, then we'll be able to play the little wrestling game. So you set them down, and then you take turns tapping the table. You need to hit it pretty hard. And then you can do that until one of them falls over. Or you can make a little ring that they're in. I used just a piece of cardboard and drew a ring on here. Then you'll put both the wrestlers in the center of that ring. And then you'll need to hit the table. That was a little too hard. If you just smack the table, you'll be taking turns with someone. Now that one fell out of the ring, so then the red is the winner. So it's a fun little game to play, and they're really quick and easy to make. But there you have it. Now if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.